Do you want to avoid losses in your investments? What essential secrets should every investor know to protect their hard earned money? Financial expert Mr. Anunay Kumar will guide us through. Anunay Kumar, the screen is yours.
I think if I would go back in the history, the event that you could see listed on the slide, right from Pokhran test to Kargil war to the global financial crisis to the demonetization and the recent one that we had a COVID or today a Russia-Ukraine war and a Adani Group issue. I think these all are the classic events which would have troubled us and we would have felt like this is not the way to stay in the market. Look at how the way market behaved. The market kept seeing through those events, absorbed those events, reacted to those events, but eventually moved in one direction, which is to create wealth. Look at what happened in the global financial crisis. It came down, but eventually started moving up. 2G scam came down, moved up. Brexit came down, moved up. COVID, the most appalling one, massive fall, vertical fall, but a vertical move up. Ukraine crisis, again fall, again move up. So despite all the events, equity market has its own behavior and is committed to create wealth for the investors. All that is required is be patient. If I go further, if you had given a 10,000 rupee as a monthly SIP, and assuming I would have invested that money in the Nifty 50, which is the index, and I would have started in the year 2000, this is your orange line is your investment market value. The blue line is your money that you had given. Obviously, because it's an SIP, it is moving upwards. Your contribution is going up, 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 and up. But look at the market value of your investments. It is going one way. And during the journey, it has seen the challenging times. It has seen the scam. It has seen the global financial crisis. It has seen the taper tantrum, China slowdown, COVID, Ukraine war. It has seen everything. But the mantra to wealth creation is, or the one word which is leading to a serious wealth creation is basically be disciplined. Why? Because India market is a consistent compounder. I have just shown you 20-year, 25%, 20-year, 20%, 10-year, 25%. We are the consistent compounder. So stay put and not get deterred.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.